Guys, that's why I vid this snack because I'm running out of storage in my mystery bags, but I made something new today. So many. I have some small mystery bags, big ones, like this. Yes, I made this cup, mystery cup. Look. And you see this red, and you see this darting. You get this darting and and strike it right to this push. And there's another one too. And this is a visible one because you can see it. And there's some small mystery bags that I made. And this is the mystery bag that is made by a plastic bag. Look, this is inside. But you cannot see. But you can see it, but it's in another plastic. Yeah, like a plastic bag in the Philippines that you put if you want ice water. That's what I'm made for. So guys, I want to open some mystery bags today, but I wanna open the smallest mystery bag. It's smaller than mama. So just put everything back to my just kinda random. So stuff to do, guys. Wait, it will be a long arrangement. So I will pause the vid first. Boom. Now there's only one left, and it's that teeny tiny one. So small as mystery bag. So I put everything in there. So we need something to cut it. How about a pen? Tuloy-tuloy ang pagpapatrol sa Kapamilya Channel. Kapamilya Online Live susunod na po sa ABS-CBN News YouTube channel. I put inside was this rubber thing that you can stretch. Napakinggan din ang TV Patrol sa DZMM Radio Patrol sa Estrella. I'll get ready that time because I want to make today so many blind bags that I over.
Ako naman po si Tony Gracias sa kanan ng ABS-CBN News in the service of the Filipino. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi. Bayan.
Because we're not gonna use scissors because this is too little. So guys, tell me what cardboard did I choose to flip this up? I chose the Who Is It card to flip it, and it was David. And this what I put. A rubber. Hey, there's a cat. Okay, nice cat. So guys, this is the inside of it. Kind of mad. Hang on, kind of mad. So guys, comment what should I unbox next, and what you send the video in my mystery bags, box, anything, wardrobe. Bye.